Hi, I'm Raman Negi.
My name is Gaurav Chintamani.
I'm at GMI Greater Noida. We just finished up with my first songwriting workshop here.
We got to chat about Raman's album, Shaksiyat, and the role that I played in it, along with Raman in trying to see his vision come to light.
The workshop that we just had, I had a lot of fun interacting with the people here, with people who are studying music here. Institutes like GMI, they provide not only the know-how of the industry to have different sort of people to come here and give the sessions to kids. I think it's a great exposure. I wish I had that when I was starting out, right? And now that can happen in an institute, and people from different backgrounds, in the sense that artists, producers, engineers can come and lecture about the nitty-gritties and the things of the business. I think that's great. I think that's important.
Yeah, overall it was a great vibe in the lovely auditorium, and I hope that these sessions bring the students closer to the idea of how to realize their music.
Today's session was amazing. I had a great time at GMI, and I am hoping to see them again soon.